back today and we're gonna fire up the Honda Ruckus. We found the key, right?
Yeah, a bunch of other keys too. This is probably for the lock.
The kryptonite, let's see.
Yes, ancient kryptonite, if it even works.
Oh, nice.
All right, good.
All right, so we got the lock
That's
off.
pretty good.
Oh, we got a chain right there. That'll be useful. Definitely good for the city.
This thing weighs like 30 pounds.
Yeah, no one's getting through that. It's pretty cool that it has this welded on. Those are some pretty decent welds on there too.
Yeah, it's definitely a professional weld job.
Yeah.
This whole thing, this back rack, the pegs are really cool.
All right, let's see what's good with this key
So
here.
the battery charged up. Hasn't started in a long time. At least 5 years. Last time this thing was registered was. So we got lights.
Got the
Battery's
rear light.
charged.
That's good.
All right, here we go. Let's open up the window in case it actually starts.
Oh, we got compression for sure.
It's cranking over, dude.
It's cranking, but doesn't want to start.
The battery isn't juiced enough. Let's try to maybe kickstart it.
Yep.
Sometimes.
Dude, it's getting close. It like almost wants to.
Definitely almost wants to. Maybe we should probably check
Yeah,
and
we
see if it
should.
has gas first.
Yeah.
Does this thing even have gas?
Yeah, there's gas. Here, light it up. Oh yeah. Looks pretty yellow. How's it
Yeah, I
smell?
really can't tell. I mean, it smells like gas.
We should probably drain the gas.
Drain the gas, check the spark plug.
All right. So this is the gas tank. How's it looking?
Pretty nasty. We're gonna disconnect it right here, drain all the old fuel out, and then fill it up with some fresh 93.
Nice.
And hopefully this thing will at least get a start so we can see how the engine is.
How do you think the inside of this gas tank is? I guess we wouldn't really know.
Smells sort of turpentine-y. Looks pretty gross, but we'll check it out. So that's good. Should probably get a new fuel filter. Look how dirty that is, dude.
Where is it?
Right down here. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
So definitely add that to
All
the
right.
list.
New fuel filter. All right, we got fresh new gas in there. Batteries on the trickle.
So it's got spark, which is good.
Still nothing. Oh, let's check the battery. No, battery's still empty. Try the kick, yeah, try kick starting. Nothing.
It's almost there though.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Let's look at the car.